Hello, welcome to the tutorial of videocrop.bat and videocompress.bat. So you need to download only two different things, the FFmpeg and the bat files themselves. So to get the FFmpeg, you can either search it from online or click this link from the description. So you go down here, select your operating system. In my case it's Windows, so I press here, the first link. And then there is this section. The bat files might work with the essentials one as well, but I still recommend getting the full one in case you need FFmpeg for other different things in the future. So just download this zip file into some specific folder you want. Once the download's done, extract the zip file. You can rename the folder if you want, it is quite long, so. And then navigate to the bin folder inside. And this ffmpeg.exe file is what you need mostly. Then go to this website, which is also in the description. And this website is where my and Martin's most of the projects are, as well as help from some other people. So scroll past the main project section into the side project section and get the videocrop.bat by clicking the title there and download it into the bin folder. And then extract that as well. Then you want to get the video you want to crop and put it inside the bin folder as well. And then all you need to do is to drag and drop the video file on top of the videocrop.bat. And then you need to get the start timestamp and the end timestamp from the video, obviously, so the program knows where you want to crop the video from. So in my case, it seems like this is a good place, 2607, for the start of the video. So I will put that to here. Then I need the end timestamp. So it seems like 4222 is good. And then you put the final name. And that's done. So it will put the cropped video to the same folder. And it is completely the same quality as the other one. But in case you want to have a smaller file size for the video, you need to use video compress. Oh yeah, and by the way, the video crop 2 is in case the video crop doesn't work. There are some different kind of video formats or settings that can interrupt the thing, so you can just try the second one if it works. But yeah, so if you want to compress the video, just take the original video file and drop it into this bat instead. And then you need the start timestamp again and the end timestamp again. And then, so this is the recommended quality range. So if you put 17, it's almost the same as just lossless quality. So the same as you would get from videocrop.bat. So for example, if we put, let's say 28, and then you can also downscale the video if you want. So for example, this is a 1080p video. So if I want to further lower the quality, I can, for example, put the 720p, which will be this. So width x height, like that. And then the final name. So let's put for reference Jasonville compressed. And this won't be instant because it has to convert it, but it's still 3 times the speed of at least for my CPU and GPU. And after some time, depending on the length of the video, it will be done. So you see this is 720p and the bitrate is under 2000 when the cropped one is 10,000 bitrate, 1080p, and the file size is much lower. And for reference, this was the 28 quality. Which is still very much watchable. So yeah, that's about it. That's about it for the tutorial.